So, in the comments below, I want to hear your opinions on this. First, whether you race, you're getting into racing, you want to race, or if you're just a fan, you watch it on TV, whatever. Well, so this year, AMA has put out a new rule, and it says, quote, "It is highly recommended that chest and back protection be worn by all competitors. It is required for all competitors in youth classes to wear chest and back protection." So this doesn't just fall under off-road or on-road. This is for everyone, because it continues on to say the protector may be worn under or over the jersey, so this would be an off-road thing, and it should cover the sternum, anterior ribs, posterior ribs, and spine from T1 to T12. You can see it on screen right there if you want to listen or read it yourself. For road racing, a back protector must be worn under the leathers unless integrated into the design of the leathers. Now, obviously, this is one of those things that you never see people wear them. They used to be kind of a big thing. You put them on, and you could have extra, different sponsors or whatever on it. But you never see nobody wears back or chest protectors. I mean, obviously, I'm going to say nobody, quote unquote, as a generalized. There's definitely people who still do, but the fact that every youth competitor now has to, and I mean, if you're a big name supercross rider, it might be one of those things that people start doing, like, hey, we'll pay you a little bit of extra money, wear our projector, more people are going to buy it from us. But whatever, in the comments below, you tell me. Good rule change. Do you think it really matters? Who cares? Are you going to, if you're riding or not? But comments below, make sure to say all that stuff, whatever you want. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do. Obviously, making YouTube videos, the algorithm is king, and it really helps me out, and I appreciate it a lot. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.